you are all doing fine and great. This is your ma'am, Mrs. Hemalata. Today we are going to learn about food. And today Miss Lily will be joining us throughout the video. She is Miss Lily. She is going to teach you about food. Come on, let's go and learn about food.
Hello friends, my name is Lily. I am an ostrich. I eat grains, insects and meat to stay strong and healthy. I get energy from the food I eat. What about you? All living things need food. We need food when we are hungry. Why do we eat food? Yes, to get energy to work and play. Otherwise, we'll feel tired and hungry.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on.
Now we are going to prepare a tasty dessert with fruits. Come on, let's start. First, we have to add some fruits into the bowl. Now I am going to add chopped mangoes. Next I am adding chopped papayas. Now bananas. And now apples. Now I'm adding dry fruits. Cashew nut, dry grapes and dates. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. And now I am adding cardamom powder for taste. We'll add a bowl of milk. Now mix it well. Now the dessert is ready. Enjoy the tasty dessert with your family members.
There are 3 types of food. They are energy-giving food, body-building food and protective food. Carbohydrates and fats gives us energy and called as energy-giving food. We get energy from cereals like wheat, rice, potato, bread, etc. We get fats from ghee, butter, oil, etc. Body building food. The growth of our body depends on the intake of proteins. We get proteins from pulses, eggs, meat, fish, prawns, chicken. Protective food. These foods help us to protect us from various diseases. It contains vitamins and minerals. We get them from fruits, leafy vegetables and milk. Milk is a complete food. We should drink at least a glass of milk every day. We get our food from plants and animals. We get cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables from plants. Some of the cereals are rice, wheat, and jowar. Pulses. Some of the pulses are yellow lentils, chickpeas, green lentils, and red peas. Here are some fruits that we get from plants. They are pineapple, bananas, mango, apples, papaya, and sweet lime. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals, which helps us to protect us from diseases. We get vegetables from plants. Some of the vegetables are radish, tomatoes, lemon, potato, onion, garlic, bitter gourd, capsicum, carrots, brinjal, cabbage, broad beans, chilies, spinach, cucumber, drumstick, beans, beetroot, mushrooms, lady's finger. Vegetables are always colorful and protect us from all types of diseases. We should consume more vegetables to avoid seasonal diseases and harmful diseases that affects us. We also get food from animals. We get milk from cows, goats, and buffaloes. We prepare cheese, curd, buttermilk, butter, milkshakes, ice creams from milk. We get meat from sheep, goats, and hens. We get eggs from hens and ducks. We get fish from seas, rivers, and lakes. People who do not eat meat, fish, egg, and chicken are called vegetarian. People who eat meat, fish, egg, chicken, etc. are called non-vegetarians.
Carrots, carrots, it's time to eat your carrots. Yes, 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 I like to eat some carrots. Carrots, carrots, it's time to eat your carrots. Yes, 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 I like to eat some carrots. Good, 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 carrots are good for you. Yeah, 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 I want to eat it now. See, 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 your teddy likes carrots. 1, 2, 3, he ate it all up. Ha, 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 the carrot has gone now. Yeah, 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 we liked it too. Cucumber, cucumber, it's time to eat your cucumber. Yes, 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 I want to eat some cucumber. Good, 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 it's good for you. Yeah, 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 I like it too. See, 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 your teddy likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see. Ha ha ha. It has gone now.
And now we are going to learn from our semester book 1. Take page number 154. Take the food items you like to eat. So, you just read all the names of the food items displayed
Given
here,
here.
and just tick your favorite food items. Now we'll go to page number 155. That is the next page. 155. Look at the board. Now I'm going to write the date. 16/7 CW. Tick the food items that can be eaten raw. Some food items can be eaten before cooking. Without cooking, we can eat those food items. For example, cucumber. You can eat cucumber without cooking. So, we are going to identify those type of food items that can be eaten raw. Tomatoes. Can you eat tomatoes raw? Yes, of course, you can eat tomatoes raw. It will be very tangy and tasty. So, we'll check here. Check. Okay, next cucumber. As I told you earlier, you can eat cucumber raw. You can use cucumbers in salads. Check. Potato. Potatoes cannot be eaten raw. It will not be digested. You have to cook potatoes. Your mama will cook potatoes and give, so that you will enjoy the delicious potatoes. So, leave the box. Here, apples. Of course, healthy apples can be eaten raw. Check. Sugarcane. Yes, we can eat sugarcanes raw. We cannot cook sugarcanes. Check. What is this? Beans. Beans can be cooked and eat. So, leave the box. Lady's finger. Yeah, you can eat lady's finger raw. It will be very tasty and healthy, good for your brain. Check. Bananas. Of course, you can eat bananas raw. Check. Mangoes, our national fruit. Mango is our national fruit. It is very tasty, yummy fruit. So, you can eat mangoes raw. Check. Watermelon. Watermelon is a juicy fruit which can be eaten raw. Check. Brinjal. Brinjals? No, you cannot eat brinjals raw. So, leave that box. Okay children, after completing this page, take your book, take page number 156 and 57. Color your favorite vegetables, color your favorite fruits, color your favorite vegetables. So, you are going to enjoy coloring all the vegetables with the apt color. Give it very neatly. See this page. Color your favorite fruits. Page number 157. So, you are going to enjoy coloring your favorite fruits too. Do it very slowly and neatly. Okay children, that's all for today's learning session. Hope you all enjoyed thoroughly. Meet you next week. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care.